let's have a look at how a borrower can accept an offer that has been posted towards a loan request that they have earlier created. So either you can go to My Dashboard section, go to Your Borrowing, Waiting for Offers section, and you see that the loan request 423 that you have created now has one available offer, which you can see in this right-hand section over here. Alternatively, you could also go to the notification center in the top right corner and see that a new loan offer has been created towards the loan request 423. So we can also click that, which takes us to the loan request overview. At this point, we can still revoke the loan request, which would essentially cancel everything and nothing would happen. However, if we're interested in proceeding, we can scroll down to the offer section and see that there have been two offers posted towards my loan. One of them, the 80p seats offer, has been already revoked, so I cannot accept that one anymore. But I can still accept the one below that, which where the lender offers me 100p seat and is asking for 101.6p seat repayment in 30 days. There are a few key pieces of information right here. One of them is this verification column. This verification essentially checks the main DeFi registries, and if it's a token that's been offered that is one of the main tokens used across DeFi, such as the stable coins, such as DAI, USDT, USDC, for example, maybe wrapped ETH, wrapped Matic, since now we're on Polygon, it would show a verification badge over here. In all the other cases, it says not verified, which essentially means that you should only interact with this asset if you know exactly what you are doing. Now let's pretend in this case that I have interacted with the PSeed token in the past, so I know exactly what this token is, and I know that I will be able to, produce the repayment in 30 days. So what I can do now is I can click accept offer, which is going to give me this pop-up with roughly a summary of what is going to happen. First, of course, I need to approve the pawn protocol to interact with the collateral that I've previously designated for this loan request. It's a typical approval transaction, so fairly cheap, and since we're on Polygon, it's A, very cheap, and B, it should take just a couple of seconds. Once the collateral has been approved, I can sign the final transaction, the main one, which will accept the offer and activate the loan. So it's essentially the most important transaction of the whole flow. So I'm going to click accept offer. And in my MetaMask, I'm going to click confirm. And I'm going to wait for the transaction to go through. So as you can see, the transaction went through fairly quickly. Offer has been accepted. So now if I scroll back up, I see that the loan is active, and I can no longer revoke it because I have already drawn this credit. So we can go to my dashboard. I can see that the loan has moved to funded because it's now active. And I can see at the very bottom that I now have, well, I have 1000 PSeed here, but this balance is increased by 100. I also see what's the remaining time before I have to pay back the loan, and I have the summary of everything up here.